In this video, I'll show you how to use Zip Pay at Walmart. It's a simple way to shop now and pay later, whether you're in-store or online. First, if you're shopping in-store, open the Zip app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on Show Card. This will display your virtual Zip Pay card. When you're ready to check out at Walmart, tell the cashier you want to pay using a credit or debit card. Then scan or tap your phone with the Zip virtual card over the contactless reader, just like you would with Apple Pay or Google Pay. If you're shopping online at walmart.com or in the Walmart app, simply select Zip Pay as your payment option during checkout. You'll be redirected to the Zip app to confirm your purchase. Just tap Approve and you're done. With Zip Pay, you can split your payment into 4 interest-free installments, making it easy to manage your budget. Just remember, payments are spread out every 2 weeks, so keep an eye on your schedule inside the Zip app to stay on track. And that's it. Super quick and easy to use at Walmart. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart shopping and payment tips. See you next time.